In this video, we are going to work the tic-tac. This is the fourth and last part of the series. We'll be working on the tic-tac drop. But first, let's have a look at the full sequence and then at the part we're working on. The tic-tac from the jade split. It's a tic-tac, meaning that you're gonna have your pivot point around your waist and you're gonna tic-tac. Shoulder will come up, hips will come down. What you wanna know first is that you're gonna reach, this is my inside, you're gonna reach through your arm, straighten your elbow as high as you can with your inside arm, and that will give you the better grip for that. I'm reaching up, and now I'm gonna tic-tac. I bent my knee to find the pole with the top of my foot and slide it down. If you can't, if you don't have the flex yet to do so, you can still do a nice tic-tac, but you won't reach back. I'm gonna show it to you. From my jade, again, I'm just gonna come down. See, I'm just gonna come down and I can just walk on the floor. Okay, reaching high, bringing my shoulder up and sliding so that I can come down on the floor. If you like the content of this video, subscribe to the channel, give a like, give a comment, and hit that little bell to be notified of our next upcoming video. Have a good day.